Hello Muskies, welcome back to 100 days 100 lead code problem, and today is day 4, and again we are bringing one of the very important and very famous problem of lead code, which is best time to buy and sell the stock. This is problem number 121, and let's first quickly analyze the question. So the question asks you to find the maximum profit you can make by buying one stock on a certain day and then selling it on a later day, but there is a catch. You can only make one buy and one sell, and selling must happen after the buying. Okay, so this is the main catch, and as you can see in the example 2 that the goal is to return the maximum profit possible. If no profit can be made, then we need to return 0. Okay, so this is the question. Now let's design the algorithm for this question. I'm not going for intuitive approach or brute force approach because it is very easy to crack. Now let's talk about the optimized approach. So let's take the array 7 1 5 3 and 6 4, the example one that is given in the code. So the best approach is we need to use two variables here. First is minimum value. We need to figure out which minimum value is we are talking about, and the max profit. Okay, now what we need to do initially, we need to analyze this as 0. We need to give this as 0, but for minimum value we need to give this infinite in order to make sure that whatever the value we are given this in the very first iteration, it must be lesser than the minimum value that we have assigned initially. Okay, that is why we are taking infinity. Now let's take 7. So 7 is less than infinity, obviously. So now minimum value is 7 and maximum profit is 0 still, because this is the very first element. And now similarly we will move further and we will change. Let's suppose 7 is now greater than 1, so 1 is the minimum value and the max profit is 7 minus 1, that is 6. Okay, similarly we can iterate this and we can iterate over each and every element in a single pass. And so this is the basic algorithm design that we talk about. Now in order to get the code, in order to analyze the whole thing in the code in the Python, I have attached it on the pinned comment. Please have a look at it and see you in the next video on the day 5.